Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. So it's a great time to be live, guys, and let's get into the content without any further delay. So hopefully everybody out there is having a great day, a wonderful day out there, and we've got lots to talk about. Remember, everything you see here is not financial advice. It's just an OG in the house expressing my opinion. So hopefully everybody's having a great day once again. And guys, we've got the brilliant alien in the house, and this is a live stream out there, guys. So what's up, community? What is going on? We're going to be talking about a whole bunch of stuff, guys. Dogecoin Shiba Inu update. I'm buying right now, guys. I will be buying, and we're seeing that, all this macroeconomic data. We're going to be talking about that. We're going to be talking about what Jeremy Powell said out there. And, interestingly enough, we did see that most of the markets tanked. So we're going to be talking about that and why I will be buying, why I will be absolutely buying. And remember, guys, it's so important out there. It's so important out there that, you do your own risk management. Remember, never, ever ape into something without doing research. Never, ever, absolutely never, ever do anything without doing research, because, a lot of people, they get wreck because they don't do research and they just ape into stuff. So don't do that, guys. Absolutely don't do that. So guys, do go back and watch all my other videos out there, guys. So a big hello out there to everybody out there. We got Chris DeMarco mod out there. We got Alex. We got Mountain Man. We've got Chris DeMarco out there as well. One of our huge moderators as well. So guys, much love to everybody out there. Much love to all the members. So let's get into it. Woo! It's a great time to be live. So once again, howdy to this live stream from Crypto Daily Trade Signals in the house, guys. So I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty pumped up that you're all here, guys. Lat Trang, thank you for the super chat. I appreciate it. So, if you see me looking down this way, it's because I need to see the comments. And so I've got a little monitor down here. So I need to see the comments, what's going on out there. So it's a great time to be live. So before we jump into it, I don't want to get too long out there. I want to give a big, beautiful shout out to all the new subscribers out there. Mojijo, Mahad, Nigel, Albarium, Sachin, M, Jurgen, Angus out there, and Amanda, and all the new subscribers. So much love to all of you out there. Thank you for being part of the community out there. And don't forget to smash Dogecoin 111. I need to see in the comments right now, Dogecoin 111. I need to see in the comments right now, Dogecoin 111. If I don't see the Dogecoin 111, I ain't saying another thing, guys. So I'm going to be... The alien's going to start talking. If I don't see Dogecoin 111. Dogecoin 111. Where is it? Dogecoin 111. So let's jump in. So yesterday, that we had the Fed Chair Powell saying that, interest rates are likely to be higher than previously anticipated. We're gonna deep dive into that in a second. We're gonna deep dive so deep that you're definitely gonna need a scuba gear out there. So after Jeremy Powell, he went on coughing. Gonna bug in my throat. After Jeremy Powell came on, we did see that all the markets tanked, guys. All the markets tanked like crazy. Absolutely not a good look out there for all the markets, and it just tanked. But interestingly enough, the crypto markets didn't tank as much as the broader markets did. So that is a good news from that perspective. I mean, we did go down. I mean, I got to be honest with you. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. And guys, are you not smashing the likes out there? I only see like limited number of likes out there. Like, what is going on? Why are we not smashing the likes, guys? Smash the freaking likes like crazy. You need to do that, guys, because I'm looking right now. What have we got? I've only got 23 likes. Come on, guys. What are you waiting for? 23 likes? You need more. I need more. Because, whenever we do any live premieres or any live streams, we often get a lot of dislikes. So we got people that, just dislike the channels for whatever reason. We got tons of those out there. So, guys, smash the likes. Show some love out there. Hey, Alex, Dogecoin 111, $5 super chat. I appreciate it. I absolutely appreciate it. So what do we got going on? Some of the important stuff that you guys need to know about is that yesterday we had the Fed chair. He testified. He testified to the Senate, and he wasn't dovish. He was hawkish. Basically saying, one, we're going to see more rate hikes we thought that was done. We're only going to get like one more. There's going to be more. There's also going to be the level of the rate hikes is not going to be 25 basis points. It's going to be 50 basis points. That's why we saw the markets tank yesterday. The other stuff that we got coming out, we got CPI data coming out as well. CPI data is coming out on the 14th. And I think, this is my opinion. This is not financial advice. This ain't nothing. It's just my opinion out there. Narendra, hey brother, to the moon. I appreciate coming in from Malaysia. Much love out there. So from my perspective out there, what we're absolutely seeing out there is that I think the CPI data is going to come in hot like crazy, and I think we're going to have some more tankage. Okay, so we're gonna deep dive into that. Okay, we're gonna deep dive into it. I'm deep diving it. So that's what we got coming up. Okay, so from that perspective, if you take a look at the Bitcoin returns right now, Bitcoin returns so far March is down about 3.83%. Debbie Downer, I know, like what can you do? But if you zoom out, Wendy Trendy is your friendly, we're still up, right? Okay, if you guys take a close look here, we're still up. Okay, we're still up here. So overall, year to date, we're up. Okay, so from that perspective, don't worry about that too much. We're still up. Yeah, right now we're trending down, and most projects are trending down. Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin is down, and it's not. Scott Gibbs just said, "I'm wise." Thanks, Scott. I appreciate it. Hey, Shane Smith, I appreciate it, brother. Hello, howdy. Welcome to the stream out there. I appreciate it. And Shipmaster, like he just said, he just said it in a chat, get the dry powder ready. Get the dry powder ready, guys. I believe it. Get the freaking dry powder ready, because there's going to be some volatility, guys, and there's a big CME gap, and we can see Bitcoin going down to 19,000. So far, we're seeing that the leverage apes out there, the apizoids, the apizoids, to wherever the apes go, we're seeing that the total wreckage is around about 76.4 million. Okay. It is what it is. It's a cycle. There's a lot of greedy people out there. Who just love to leverage trade. They get wrecked, and they just keep. Okay, I get wrecked, and they pile more money, pile. So they never learn. What can we do? But the thing is, they create a lot of turbulence in the market. That they definitely do, and that's why we see so much volatility out there. So it is what it is. So the interesting thing is, as I said, the SPX yesterday, look at this. The SPX was down 1.53%, okay? Was down. But we are seeing that, if you take a look at the heat map, if it loads, Mr. Brilliant, Ryan, there's an alien for you. I love you, brother. I appreciate it. Much love out there. The heat map decided to load. Well, here we go again. The technical difficulties cause all these nasty stuff out there. So you can see that Bitcoin is down about 1.4%. Ethereum is down only 0.74%. So interestingly enough, we are seeing that the S&P was down 1.53%. So overall, we are seeing that crypto, it's down. Okay. But it's not as down as much as I thought it would be. It's down less than the S&P 500, so that is good. Shows that there's some resilience there. Hey, Chris, Shane, I appreciate it. Shane, where's Travis? Tell Travis to get in the stream. There he is. I just saw him. He just popped up. And hey, Jamie360, I appreciate it. Thank you for joining us as well, Mr. Brilliant. And guys, if you love this channel like I love you guys, I love you guys. Don't forget to show some love with some super chats. And the most important thing, I don't care about the super chats. What I really care about is I care about you as a community. I care about you out there. I want you to be safe out there. And remember, there is a lot of scammer, whammer, bammer sites out there. And they look like my site. So if anybody reaches out to you and says, "Oh, I want you to do this. I want you to sign up for that," don't do it. Don't do it. Danger. And if someone says, "Oh, and it sounds too good to be true," danger. Out there. And the aliens are looking at me. They're just looking at me. It should be like that. Okay, this is the Mr. Brilliant Alien. Okay, this is Mr. Brilliant Alien. So we got one of our members out there, channel member, Mr. Brilliant. We christened this the Mr. Brilliant Alien. He's often telling us what's going on. So I digress. Basically, what I wanted to say to you guys is that we saw the SPX go down. Bitcoin and crypto's not down as much. So that's kind of interesting. If you take a look at what's going on with the fear and greed out there, hey, Mr. Brilliant, thank you. The alien loves you. The alien is going to give a big kiss out there to Mr. Brilliant. Thank you for the support. I appreciate it. I mean, sometimes it's fun to be goofy, right? It's fun to be goofy. Why not be goofy? Why we have to be all serious out there? I try to be funny. I try to be, I try to cheer people up. I want to cheer people up out there. I appreciate it. Scott, I love you. Dogecoin to the moon. Dogecoin to the moon. And right now we're seeing that the fear and greed is at 50. So it's neutral out there, which is a good sign, right? It's a good sign. It's not a bad sign. So that is good out there. So that's good. Hey, Kate. Wow, Kate, hey sis, we haven't seen you in a long time, and definitely 333 for all the haters out there, and we got them. Different strokes for different folks. Some people love the content, some people don't like the content, some people are neutral on the content. But it is what it is, right? You can't make everybody happy. I mean, some people are very vitriolic. They just report everything. So what can you do? What can you do? So from that perspective, we're still in neutral. So if we take a look at Bitcoin on the 12-hour, as you guys know, that right now we've just been going sideways. We are tapping down a little bit. We're at 22,129 right now. From my perspective, we do have a CME gap that we're going to talk about in a second, and that CME gap is calling for a 19,900. So we could be seeing Bitcoin going down in that direction. So if I take a look at Bitcoin, what am I seeing over here? I'm seeing a very big downward trend on the 12-hour time frame. Okay, so unless something really great happens or we have some really fantastic news, we're probably going to continue to see Bitcoin going down. And don't forget, we got a CME gap that is around about this area here. So the CME gap is around about 19,900. So we could technically see Bitcoin going down this direction. Now, if I turn on the predator indicator out there, the predator indicator is saying that there's more downside. Okay, so I use this predator indicator. Okay, I think it's kind of cool. It's from Decentrader. I have a link down in the description. You can check it out. I think it's cool. It's really a nice indicator. It basically tells you, red means bullish, yellow means caution, green means good. So from this perspective, it's kind of telling us that on the 12-hour, it's. Hey, Alex, thanks for joining and become a member. Much love. Appreciate that. Guys, can you smack the likes? We've only got 99 people watching this live stream. What is going on out there? Where's everybody? So, yeah, from my perspective, I see Bitcoin going down. Probably going to go down. Hopefully, we'll hit the support and bounce up, but we do have the CME futures gap that could push things down. And like I said, the CPI data is going to be coming in hot. So we could expect more downside, guys. Absolutely more downside, guys. So, from my perspective, I'm going to be setting some buy orders for Bitcoin at 19,500. Okay, 20,000. So I'm going to set some triggers there, and I set a stop loss at 18,500, just in case. But I'm going to be picking up. I'll definitely will be picking some up out there. So we could be seeing some correction to the downside. So it is what it is. Don't panic. On the weekly right now, if you guys zoom in, we are seeing that we've had like 1, 2, 3 weeks of nastiness out there. But still, as I said out there, Bitcoin is still up. So Bitcoin is up. Bitcoin is actually up, guys. So smash the freaking likes, guys. We've only got 96 people in the live stream. Where's everybody? Everybody sleeping out there? Wake up already! Wake up! Get in the stream. Ethereum wise, let me turn off the predator indicator. Ethereum wise, it's doing pretty much the same thing. It's we're at 1558. We did break above this little channel here. Hopefully you guys see this channel. So if we can turn green, we might be able to rebound. This may act as support and we may go up. So if we go up, our next resistance level for Ethereum is 1668. But remember, we got all of that negative data that's going to be coming. CPI is going to be hot. Don't forget, we got the FOMC as well, and they're going to be telling us exactly what the interest rates are going to be coming in at. I mean, from my perspective, the interest rates definitely, we're going to, my opinion, okay? I'm not telling you, just my opinion, is that we're going to see interest rates coming at 50 basis points, as Jeremy Powell kind of hinted on that, and, and we're going to have more increase. So this is what happened to the broader markets when Jeremy Powell testified. Basically, everything went, it was like everything caved, right? Everything just caved. So it is what it is. I think this year is going to be pretty tumultuous. Tumultuous, is that a word? Tumultuous. It's going to be chaotic out there. I think March definitely we're definitely going to be heading lower. I think so. I think that April is typically, as the springtime comes, people are more positive and may see things happening, guys. Hey, Shane, I love it. JME, I love it. Chris, I love it. And Michelle Mancini, much love to you, brother. Thank you for being in the live stream, guys. Can you please smash a like, share this video? Let's get the views up. I like this. I would love to see at least 200 people in this live stream. We've got 103 people in the live stream right now. I appreciate it. And guys, smack the likes, schmackity smack the likes, boop the likes, lick the likes. I can go crazy out there if you love this channel. Just tell the algorithm that you're a human being. So this is what our friend the Prowler said yesterday. Go get yourself a cup of coffee. Here's what Jeremy Powell said in his testimony. Basically, he said that the latest economic data has come in stronger than expected, which suggests that the ultimate level of interest rates is likely to be higher than previously anticipated. And remember, out there, he wants to slow the economy because he wants to lower the inflation. Okay, so from the data that we've seen is that there's less unemployment. And the economy is actually doing better than expected. So from that perspective, he wants to slow these things down. That's just part of the whole process of reducing the inflation out there. So that's what he wants. That's what he needs to do. So we're going to see some more chippity chop out there, guys. Guys, don't forget we got some interesting Dogecoin news out there. Some interesting Dogecoin news from Binance. So we're going to be talking about that. Some Shiba Inu news. So keep watching, guys. Keep watching. Only 94 people in the stream. Whoa. So let's listen to this. I think this is interesting. Let me just go back and play this.
It's going to be a pivotal one for macro, Danny. It kicks off with Powell's testimony to the Senate. Does he continue to use this word disinflation? We haven't heard from him in over a month. It's likely going to be his last comments before the pivotal March meeting. And then we get into the data. On Friday, we get this pivotal payroll report. The big question for the market is this hot labor market driving wage inflation? You better believe it. We're going to be focused on that average hourly earnings number. And then next week, we get the pivotal CPI data.
That's going to be really important.
Does it confirm that core inflation is staying stickier than we think? All of this is headed into the March 22nd Fed decision. We not only get the rate decision from the Fed at this meeting, Danny, but we get that pivotal dot plot.
So I think it's really important that, on the 22nd of March, we're going to definitely get the FOMC. And I believe that we're going to be, the number of basis points is going to be higher. So looks like, from that perspective, they're going to be assigning an itty bitty little chance. But investors are starting to bet on a 6.25 to 6.5 Fed fund rate after this morning's testimony. So looks like that the interest rates are going to be going up out there. That's absolutely going to be happening. I believe it. You believe it. Also, this is from Seth, and he's saying, look, I get asked what I think is likely to happen after the Fed's week chair testimony. Well, I think what we're going to see is we're going to see things go down. I think CPI is going to be coming hotter. Like I said, I think that, the FOMC meeting, they're going to confirm more interest rates out there. So from that perspective out there, expect some downside. Expect that cryptocurrency, expect that Bitcoin, Dogecoin, everything is going to be going down. So you can see here from Charlie out there, he's saying, look, there's a big shift in market expectations after Powell testimony. Yesterday, 69% probability of 25 basis points, right? But now, after today, after the Senate hearings yesterday, it looks like there's going to be a 69% probability of 50 basis point. Wow. Woo. So guys, it's going to be choppy. It's going to be insane in the membrane, guys. All right. And if you guys really believe that, do you absolutely believe? Do you absolutely believe that there's going to be 50 basis points or a 25 basis points? Comment right now. I'm looking at the comments. I'm looking at the comments right here, guys. I'm looking at the comments. Comment right now. Do you think there's going to be a 25% basis point or 50% basis point, guys? Tell me. I want to know. I want to know. I mean, personally, I think that it's going to be 50 basis points. What do you guys think out there, guys? Chris DeMarco, what do you think? Shane, what do you think? IZ, what do you think? And Alex, our new member, what do you think? Well, IZ is saying it's going to be 0.75%. Okay, basis point. Shane is saying 25 basis points. I think it's 50. So we'll have to wait and see, guys. I have to absolutely wait and see. Guys, if you're loving this content, if you're loving the live content, don't forget to smash the likes. Boop the likes. Lick the likes. And guys, show support with Super Chats. I appreciate it, guys. And if you want to be the king of the stream, you know what to do. Super Chat is welcome. And don't forget super thanks, guys. So looks like interesting news coming out from Voyager Digital. Looks like Voyager Digital has won the court approval on Tuesday to sell its assets and transfer its clients to Binance USD. So that is kind of interesting because our friend Gary out there, I mean, I don't want to say this, I don't want to say that because you know it's going to happen. But this deal is not going to happen, and Binance has been kind of like beaten up recently. Mountain Man says 50, Alex says 50 or more. I appreciate the comments, guys. So what do you guys think? I mean, do you think Binance is in big trouble? Do you think Binance is just fine and dandy? I'd love to see what you guys have to say about that. Comment, smash the freaking likes, guys. What do you guys have to say about that? Hey, we just got the Streg Hart in the live stream. Appreciate it, brother. We got Sergio in the house. Just chimed in. I appreciate it. And we got Raymond Greenshaw. I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate it for showing the love, showing up day in, day out to watch the OG rant and rave and go crazy out there. No, I'm not going crazy, but I appreciate all the support. I appreciate much love out there. Much love. So do you guys think that the Binance thing is a good thing? The deal with the Voyager is a good thing or not? I think it's a good thing because, from my perspective, at least those of you that've got your crypto trapped on Voyager with this buyout, you're definitely going to be able to, get your money out. So from my perspective, remember 2025 is the next halving. Look, you can take a look at this. Let me just give this a minty refresh out there. Hey, it's still early morning here in Vietnam and the sun has come out. Yesterday I had a stomach bug. My son was sick yesterday. Last night he was not doing too good. He's still got a pretty high fever right now. So yeah, it's been a long night for the wife out there, but much love. So as I said, the Bitcoin halving, March 29, 2024, and 2025 is going to be insane in the membrane. Dogecoin 111, Shiba Inu 111, everybody 111. I love it. You love it, guys. So it's interesting stuff that's is happening right now. So interest rates we talked about this, we talked about that. Other stuff that's coming in as well. It looks like this is from Mustache in the House, and what he's really saying out there is very simple. He's saying, I would advise. Let me just make this bigger for you. He says, I would advise you do not pay much attention to smaller time frames. The macro view of BTC is crucial. We are close to the blue dotted line, guys. We're close to the blue dotted line. Our breakout and new bull market will begin, guys. So we have this blue dotted line here, right? We're getting pretty close to that. And I think Mustache is right. What he's kind of saying out there is you need to zoom out. Wendy Trendy is your friend. You need to zoom out. Sure, we're seeing some chop, but a lot of the downside for Bitcoin, a lot of the downside for Shiba Inu is because of the macroeconomic data. And that is why when we have the CPI, when we have the FOMC coming in at 50 basis points, I'm going to be buying. I'm going to be buying more and more and more. And the reason I'm going to be buying, is because the fundamentals of Bitcoin, the fundamentals of Ethereum, the fundamentals of BNB, the fundamentals of Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and everything else has is unchanged. And why we're going to be seeing the price going down has nothing to do with the tokenomics. It has to do with the larger macroeconomic situation that's going on. So that is why once we have the CPI data coming in hot, once we have the FOMC coming in, 50 basis points or higher, markets are going to tank, crypto's going to tank, but it will quickly recover, because what is causing crypto and the broader markets to go down is the macroeconomic data. That is the reason. That is the reason. So sometimes bad news can be an opportunity. Sometimes, I repeat, bad news can be an opportunity. So that's why I see this as a huge opportunity out there. I'm going to be buying a dippy, whips. I'm going to be double dipping, triple dipping. I'm going to be dippy, Mr. Dippy out there, because I think it's a good opportunity, guys. So, if you take a look at what's going on in terms of the total market cap, is down almost 1%. It's better than the S&P 500, which is down almost 1.43%. So that's kind of a good thing. We're seeing Ethereum dominance is going up, because we're seeing that Ethereum is only down just slightly over 0.5%. We're seeing Bitcoin is down 1.29% out there. So from that perspective, it's not too bad. We're seeing BNB is up, though, despite everything being nasty. The BNB is up. XRP is looking good. I think they're getting closer and closer to decision on the... Hey, Shane, thank you for the comment about my son. I appreciate it. Hey, Nick Han's in the comments. Guys, Nick Han's in the comment. So we're seeing XRP is looking good, because I think they're getting closer and closer to a positive judgment out there. Cardano is down, to be expected. Dogecoin is at 9.8 billion, and Polymag. So Dogecoin and Polymag are kind of like, going nuts out there. So from my perspective, let me tell you what I'm holding right now. Around about 50% of my portfolio is in Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. Around about 25% is in Ethereum, so that is good. JJMNT in the house, I appreciate it. So we're seeing that I have about 25% in Ethereum. Of course, I'm holding some BNB. I'm holding BNB. I did ape into XRP just only about a month and a half, 2 months ago. I did talk about it, because I think that they could win their case out there. Polymatic, big holder, big believer in that. Dogecoin, I got 4 million Dogecoin. I love it. You love it. Solana, I'm holding only a little bit, because I kind of got out. I sold most of it at the top. Polkadot, I'm holding. Shiba Inu, my wife is holding Shiba Inu. She bought it kind of sneaky out there, but she's been doing pretty good on that, so I won't falter on that. Avalanche, yes, we're holding Avalanche. Chainlink, yes, have a little bit of Chainlink. Cosmos, a little. What else we got? A Filecoin, yes, holding a little bit. And it's down 7.4. Thank you for the super chat. So it looks like Latrang is the queen of the stream. Anybody coming in at around about $3, if you want to be the king of the stream, $3 is going to be the next. If you want to be the king of the stream, $3. That's what it's going to cost you. Filecoin. I got Filecoin. What else we got? Kronos. Yeah, this is crypto.com. Crypto.com's token. It's pretty good out there. Hey, Richard Bunn. Hey, appreciate it, brother. How are you? VeChain. I'm a big believer in VeChain. I like VeChain. Internet Computer, Algorand, and that's about it. Phantom, yes. And Dragon, if you're watching, you put me on the Phantom. Decentraland, yes. We're holding that. What else we're holding out there? That's about it. Chilla's a little bit. And then, of course, Pancake. Holding some Pancake. I like Pancake. Maybe that version 3 just came out. So it is what it is, guys and gals. So like I said, getting back to this, digress. Candy Fruge in the house. Much love, guys. Much love. And we got Amdo Sukaho. God says, God bless all of the family from Harlem. Much appreciated, brother. Who's going to be the next king of the stream? We got Latrang coming in with super chats, and I think about $3 to $4 will make you the next king of the stream. So, guys, if you want me to kiss the brilliant alien, it's gonna be at least send me a super chat. I gotta kiss that alien. I kiss the alien live streaming, kissing the alien. I appreciate it. What else is coming? So Wendy Trendy is your friend. Some good news for Doge. Binance has now added Dogecoin to their proof of reserve system today. So that is pretty good. Hey, Hey, Sylvia from Brazil. Much love out there. I appreciate it. Thank you. Haven't seen you in for a while. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the likes. I appreciate it. Show some love out there. So Binance, like I said, has added a Dogecoin to their proof of reserves system today. That is good. So now we can actually see how much Binance, how much Dogecoin Binance is holding. So let's go to Binance. Let's go to entities out there. Let's see if we can go to entities. Let's go to Binance. Maybe it's been updated here. Let's see. Updated. It's updating. Let's get going. Let's see. No, it hasn't been updated here yet. So that's going to be, but at least if you take a look at proof of reserves for Binance, it's still worth 59 billion. So they're not a lightweight out there. They're a big weight out there. So it is good news out there. So from that perspective, it's good news. So here's the article from you today. It looks like Dogecoin added verified assets on Binance. Good news. Yeah, Shane is the king of the stream. Now I gotta kiss the alien. Kiss the the alien got kissed. Thank you, Shane. I appreciate it. And guys, if you want to see the OG Batman in the live stream, that's also going to cost you. So I appreciate it. It's getting cash you. Show some love out there. So it looks like we're seeing that the Binance proof of reserves has been updated. So that is pretty good. Let's go to the blog and see if we can pull that up. So that's good, guys. So let's see here. Do we see the reserves? Let's see. 1 inch Doge. So right now, looks like the customer net balance and on-chain balance. So the customer net balance is 12 billion, right? Is that right? 12 billion Doge on Binance. So that is good because, the Dogecoin community, we've been waiting a long time for that to happen. And it's finally here. So that's good, guys. So we can now, guys, if you want me to, look, Candy Fudge, you want me to kiss the alien? You want me to kiss the alien? I'm kissing alien for Candy because she just gave the $5. Let's kiss the alien. Wow. Love the alien. Aliens. Actually, the alien's crying right now because he's never had so much love on the channel. Love on the channel. So if you want the OG to kiss the alien, you know what you got to do, right? But the alien's loving it. He's getting some fantastic attention out here. So Mr. Brilliant Alien, he's loving it. He's loving the humans. Guys, smash the likes for the humans. The alien says what? Smash the likes for the humans, guys. Smash the likes for the humans. The alien loves the humans right now. So it's a great time to be alive. I'm telling you, he just said, I love humans. And he's trolling for another kiss out there. So if you want the OG to give some more love to the alien, let me know, guys. I appreciate it. So, I appreciate it. Guys, how many people we got watching the live stream? Only 110. You guys, the people are not watching. You guys are missing the show. You guys, smash the likes for humans. Humans need some love out there, guys. It's funny. So I digress. We're talking about Doge. Oh my god. So yeah, Doge. We got the proof of reserves out there, and it looks like we have 100.5% out there. So that is good. So it looks like all the customers Dogecoin is back 1 to 1 out there, guys. Alien 111. What? You're not feeling love? Why you not feeling love? Because you want what? You want more kisses? Well, you gotta tell them. I want to get it. I can't control if people are gonna, be super chatting. I can't control that. Okay, stop hounding me. He's like my wife. Hounding, nonstop hounding from the alien out there. Oh. Okay, let's get back on the chart. So we're seeing that also tens of millions of Dogecoin move from Binance as Doge strives to overcome the 0.76%. So we did see, this is positive, because remember, when Dogecoin went down, everything tanked. We saw people, move their Doge to Binance, and people were like, oh no, they're going to sell. But in fact, we saw tens of millions of Dogecoin move from Binance to a hardware wallet. That is good. That is actually good news out there. So I love that. So we saw almost $5 million worth of Dogecoin move from Binance to a hardware wallet. So that is good, guys. So that doesn't mean that we're going to be seeing an impending dumpski out there. because people are taking Dogecoin off exchange. So that is good. That is good. Smash the likes. The OG smash the like. I'm pulling my hair out. I need the likes out there. So it looks good. It looks good for Dogecoin. It looks good to 555 out there, guys. And 333 for all the trolls out there who've been dissing on OG out there. And we have I call the band of merry men trolls, and they just like, anytime a video comes out, whack this like. Like, what's up with that? Come on. All we do is report the news. I don't give financial advice. Report the news, and we try to have some fun, right? Who wouldn't want to have a little bit of fun? Shane Smith. I love Shane. And Shane is a moderator, and he's. I gotta kiss the alien. I'm not going to French the alien, okay? That's not going to happen, okay? That's like drawing the line. So we're not going to do that. I'm glad you guys are having fun out there, because I'm having fun. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, we're seeing Dogecoin at 0.0735. Chris DeMarco. Wow, you guys are on fire. I love it. Thank you, Chris. I appreciate it. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin, we're at 0.735. We're below our support. We got some support here from that perspective. So, it is what it is. I think, if we take a look at, let's take a look at the predator indicator out there. The predators, what the predator is saying is kind of saying, look, we're going to be going down to 7 cents out there. So buckle up, buckle up. What? You want more? No, you're selfish now. Okay, no more. He wants more. It's not going to happen. So I think that we could be seeing Dogecoin going down 7 cents. Remember, this ain't financial advice. T only works until it doesn't. But the predator indicator is saying that. So perhaps what I might do is put in a buy order at 7 cents. At 0.68 cents, and see if I can pick up some Doge on the cheapy, weepy. I appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. Smash the freaking likes, guys. I appreciate it. Show some love and tell the YouTube algorithm we're here. So let's take a look at what's going on for Doge in terms of tokenomics right now. Let me give this a minty, refreshy, weshy. So we are seeing that the Dogecoin volumes are up 5.25%, so that's not too bad. The volumes are up. The market cap is down, but that's to be expected. News-wise for Doge, nothing too big. We did talk about this. I thought this was kind of cool, guys. Remember we talked about this AI, and now let's talk about this. So the AI, this whole AI is predicting that Dogecoin could hit 60 cents in 1 year. Okay, this is not me. This is the Dogecoin. Dogecoin AI is predicting this. It's not the OG. So they're saying that 1 year from now we can see 60 cents. I mean, guys, it's really a huge number, guys. And from that perspective, I'm taking a chance on the Doge. If it hits 60 cents, I'll be in like Flynn. I know most of you will. But take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this. Now, this is the AI here. And the AI says a little over a month before the end of the year forecast on February 10, 2024, Doge is anticipated to be trading as high as 89 cents. Wow, woo, guys. So this is the AI. I didn't write this article, okay? This article came out from Finn Bull. Okay, I didn't write this. It's from this Jordan Major guy. And the AI, and this whole AI, they run the numbers, and this is what they're saying, guys. Hey, like the button. What's up? Welcome to the stream. I appreciate it. Much love out there. So, guys, don't sleep on the Doge. Do not sleep on the Doge. I wouldn't sleep on the Doge. I think this is good, guys. The AI is predicting this, so there must be some logic to it, right? Some logic to it. So I've been saying this for a long time. I mean, a lot of people, say the OG's a moon boy and he thinks things. I think so. Long term. Yeah, we all thought in 2021 that we were gonna go crazy, but we had all this FTX stuff, we had the Luna debacle, all that kind of stuff. So that is why we had that FTX contagion. So right now we're seeing that almost 54% of the Dogecoin holders are in the money. So that is something to be happy about, that the majority of the Dogecoin holders are in the money. So that is cool beans, guys. Absolutely cool beans out there, guys. Hey, Alex in the house. Chris, hit the likes, guys. Yeah. David Ricine is in the stream. Much love to you, brother. David, you missed all the antics, missed all the fun out there. And David is one of our early members out there. I appreciate it. And he missed all the fun with the aliens. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at what's going on with Shiba Weeby right now. So right now, her price of Shiba Weeby, Shiba Weeby is at 11 right now. It's up 1.22%. So we're starting to see the markets come back right now. But take a look at this. Only 30% of Shiba Inu holders are in the money. So that's an interesting fun fact. So right now, if we take a look at the price of Shiba Weeby right now, so Shiba Weeby right now is making some green. It's at 10.79 out there. It is below the 1100 support level. So we're just going to wait and see what's going to happen. But crypto is coming back much faster than S&P 500, so that is good. If you take a look at the predator indicator, it's showing more downside, but I think that we could see more upside from that. So that is pretty cool beans out there. Now this is coming in as well. It looks like Shiba Inu, Shiba Lead Dev said, watch out for scammer accounts out there. So there's a lot of scammer accounts, a lot of copycat accounts, and you can see that this scammer account, it looks exactly the same, but they added another S here. Okay, it's Kusama, not KSU-sama. So but they have like 13,000 followers, guys. So watch out for that. And even when it comes to the Crypto Daily Trade Signals Twitter, we also have a lot of copycat accounts out there. There's fake Twitter accounts, there's fake Discord accounts. So guys, from that perspective, be careful out there. So let's take a look at what's going on with the tokenomics for Shiba Inu right now. So let me give this a minty refresh. So we're seeing right now that the Shiba Inu volumes are up 84.76%. That is good. That is good. Market cap is down. There was this big article about beware of scammers out there. Hey, Tokla, welcome. So from that perspective, not too much Shiba Inu news. We're still waiting for the Shibarium. What's going on with that? I have not heard any new update about Shibarium. If the Shibarium does drop, it's going to be huge. Maybe they're going to drop the Shibarium after the FOMC meeting, after the CPI data. And remember, I'm going to be buying more Doge, more Shiba Inu, more Bitcoin, more everything once the CPI data comes in, because we know the CPI data, in my opinion, is coming in hot. And that's going to push the markets down. It's going to put the prices down. And remember, it's not the tokenomics, it's not the projects out there that are having the issues. The issue is the broader markets are not good out there, guys. Also, too, just a fun fact. Join our Discord. I appreciate join the Discord, guys. Smash the likes. And if you're not getting notifications, you can join the conversation. Join our Discord. The linky winky's down there. And guys, one more thing. I want you guys to be safe out there. So I will talk about Nano Ledger, guys. If you have your crypto on a central exchange, get it off there. Get a hardware wallet. I appreciate it. So guys, let's take some questions. Let's take some questions out there. Let's do some Q&A. Out there. Also, one other thing out there, guys and gals. Don't forget, we got the Dogecoin t-shirts coming out, guys. The link will be down there. So, guys, now it's time to ask some questions. Any questions out there? Get on Discord. Guys, definitely get on Discord. This is absolutely free out there. I appreciate it. Also, too, guys, if you're in and you want to become a member, go back to the YouTube channel page, the main page, click membership, click absolutely membership, and you can become a member. You get access to a private WhatsApp group. And there's a lot of discussions, a lot of chit chat, a lot of stuff, a lot of helpful stuff, and we just have an awesome community out there. So and here we're it's a more intimate group, more great group out there. So guys, do join Discord, absolutely free. Let me say hello to the peeps. We've got right now about 21 people online. Fantastic. Hey guys, get in the live stream. All right. So guys, do get in the live stream. I appreciate it. Also, too, we do also have a Telegram group as well. You guys can get in the Telegram group. That's also free. Guys, get in the live stream. Here we go. Get in the live stream out there. I appreciate it. So we got lots of ways to communicate out there. We've got our Twitter, and my Twitter witter right now, the Twitter witter out there is we are around about 6,713 people, so that is pretty good. Twitter's blowing, and we got the blue check mark, guys. So watch out, keep an eye on the blue check mark. I would appreciate it out there. So, guys, it's a great time to be alive. Absolutely great time to be alive. And it looks like someone's saying that the boon is going to the moon. Let's take a look at the boon token. Where is the boon token? Let me give this a minty refresh. Who was saying that? It looks like Chris. Chris said the bone is going up. Wow. Bone is going up, guys. Wow. Woo. Let's see if there's any news. Chris is asking if there's any news out there. News for the bone. Let's see. Shibarium's official DEX declaration by Shiba Inu. Whoa. Let's see. Did they just announce it? Shibarium's official DEX declared by Satoshi Kusama. So it looks like Shiba Swap is only official. No. Shiba Swap, no, nothing. They haven't still. The Shibarium official date hasn't been declared yet. We're still waiting on that one. But Bone is going up because, as they said, Shibarium is going to be the official DEX, and Bone token is going to be the only governance token that you can actually use out there to use anything on their layer 1 out there. So interesting. Let's take a gander back at YouTube at the BTC out there. Let me turn off the predator indicator out there. Let's see. Any more kings of the stream? Anyone want the OG to kiss the alien? You know what to do. Bitcoin's at $22,155. Like I said, expect some more chippity chop, and we could be seeing that we could be going down to 19,900 because that's a CME gap. That is a CME futures gap that's going to happen on Friday out there. Just in case you're wondering what's going on with that, guys. So, guys, this is the AMA section. Ask me anything, guys, and I will answer. So ask me anything. Now is the time to ask a question. So any questions? Hey, Mike Anderson, Dogecoin 11. Much love to your brother, Streg Hart. Everybody that's in the stream, I just want to say I love you guys so much. I appreciate David, my man. Who else is in the stream? I'm looking at the comments here. Streg Hart, yeah. Streg Hart, Suk M, Dogecoin to the moon. Thank you for being here, brother. I appreciate it. And yeah, Suk M, I love your Twitter. I've been reading some of your Twitter. I appreciate it out there. So Joel in the house. I love it. Kobe in the house. Bone to the moon. Yeah, let's get some bone. No real bone news out there. Anybody else out there? I'm reading the chats. That's why I'm looking down. I'm not ignoring you guys out there. Any questions out there? Ask me a question. Thank you, Mike Anderson, Travis. Much love. I love you, brother. Shane Smith, love you too. We appreciate you. I appreciate you, Mike. I appreciate you out there, and I appreciate everybody out there. David Ricine, thank you, brother, for the $3 super sticker. You're the man. I hope you're feeling better out there. Summer's coming. Summer is coming out there. Did you ever buy coins through your ledger? Yeah, I did. I did. I used their exchange. It's pretty good. I like it. So guys and gals, golly wallies, Doge going to go lower. Yeah, Strag, I think it could. And Doge is probably going to go lower, not because of the Dogecoin. It's going to go lower because of where's Doge? Let me get my Doge up. It's going to go lower because of the macroeconomic pressure, all the negative stuff. So it's not because of Doge. It's going to be because of CPI data. It's going to be hot. It's going to be FOMC is going to raise the interest rates by 50 basis points. So that's what I'm thinking. JT7, the alien. I love it. Here's the alien, guys. I love it. Allison Edmond, good night, OG. Prayers for you and your son. Great time to be alive. Thank you, Allison. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching the live stream. It must be pretty late where you guys are back in the US of A. Here it's early morning, so that's why I got some pep in the step. 20 Bolo, what's good, double OG? Welcome to the live stream. I appreciate it. Guys, OG in the house. So guys, if you got any questions, now's the time. Raymond Grenshaw, much love, brother. I appreciate you out there, guys. Well, yeah, definitely. Strikeheart says more discounts. Yeah, it's a good chance to be buying the dips. Like I said, the AI for Dogecoin said 1 year prediction. This is AI, not the OG. I didn't say this. The AI said that we could see 60 cent Bitcoin, Dogecoin coming in by the end of the year. That would be fantastic, right? Here it's 11 a.m. here in Vietnam. 11 a.m. Alex, 8 p.m. there, still early. Keep watching. Candy, what time is it over there? What time is it? What time is it over there? Candy, what time is it? Tell me what time it is over there. I need to know. Christian Brown, Shibarium is available for all the devs that signed up on the intake form. Hey, that is good news. So Christina just said that the Shibarium is available for all the devs who signed the intake form. So that is good, guys. That is good. Scott Gibbs, 11 p.m. out there. Candy, what time is it out there? JME365, you have a question? Hit me up, brother. 10 p.m. I appreciate it. What's the question? What is the question? 9 p.m. in Canada. Allison. Raymond from Texas. Bolo, 8 p.m. here. Wow. Shitoshi new announcement. Check it out. Okay, I will. Let me see. Is it the like button? Is that on? Is that on Twitter? Let me check it out, guys. So it looks like there could be an announcement. Shitoshi, let's see what's happening. Shitoshi, where are you, brother? Show me the love. Let's go. Hit it. Let's see. A new announcement. New announcement. No. Christian, then after that testing, Shibarium will be released. Let's see. Attention. We are thrilled to announce Shibarium public beta will be launching this week. Make sure you're following our official. So it looks like public beta is coming out this week. Yeah, that's why the bone is going up right now. Look, let me get to it. The bone is going up because we had this announcement from Shitoshi out there. Where is that? I just had it. Where is it? I'm losing it. Where is it? Okay, I gotta search it again. I lost it. Technical difficulties. Let me search it again. Shioshi. We just had it, right, guys? Shitoshi. Where are you? Shitoshi. There you go. We just had it. Okay, so where's that intake form? Let me refresh this. Public beta is going to be available next week, guys. So that is why the Boning Bone is pumping like crazy out there, because people are going nuts. People are excited. Well, it looks like we won't be able to follow the Shibarium price. Okay, so that is good, guys. So that is good news out there. So that is why the Bone is going. Any more questions out there? Your videos become more than educational. Thank you, Mountain Man. I appreciate it. City Boy with any more questions out there? Guys, if there's no more questions, I'm going to end the stream. Streaming. Guys, who smashed the likes? Have you smashed the likes? Dogecoin 111. I appreciate it, guys. So if there's no more questions, guys, don't forget to become a member. I appreciate it. And guys, don't forget to go back and watch all the videos. I appreciate it, guys. Any more questions out there? Community. Any more questions, guys? I'm waiting here for community. I'm waiting. OG, link the Discord in the chat if you can. Alex, just go to the video description. You will see the link there. Because if I paste it in the chat, YouTube doesn't like that. I love you, OG. Mass adoption coming sooner than expected. Thank you, Sook M. I appreciate it, and keep up the good work, Sook M, on Twitter. I appreciate you out there. I appreciate it. Candy, lick the likes. I appreciate it. It looks like Mike smashed the likes. I appreciate it, guys. Love it. Let's keep going. Looks like Michael Dembo Music, Dogecoin. Let's go. Welcome to the stream. We're about to end, brother, but I am appreciate of you being here. Much love to that one. I appreciate you, Mikey, my man in the stream. I appreciate it. The alien loves you too. Alien. Anybody want to see OG kiss the alien? Mwah, kissing the alien, guys. That was a free one. Thanks, OG. So, guys, I'm going to end this video here. I want to say much love to all of you. Be well. Be blessed. And don't forget to smash the likes and tell the YouTube algorithm that we are alive. So, guys, be well. Be blessed. Peace out.